Hello everyone, it's Splendor of the Splendor Glam, and for this tutorial I'll be using a tape, an elastic band, an office pin, a tailor's chalk, a scissors and a safety pin. Placing my satin material neatly on the table. For this video I'll be using 14 inches, but you can use 15 or 13. It depends on how big or small you want your satin hair bonnet to be. So now I'll be taking the 14 inches and then I'll use my chalk to just trace it from this edge to the other. I'll just trace it down till I get to the other edge of the satin as shown in this video. You can see. Then I'll just trace it some more so the line can be a little clearer. Then I'll take my scissors and then follow the line I traced. So I'll just open it up for you to see how perfect the circle came out. So I'll put this aside and then fold my remaining satin to get the second side of the satin hair bonnet. You can use your tape to measure the second one, or you can just place the first one you cut out on the remaining satin and then trace it out and cut it with your scissors. Having done this, I will just mark the bad face so I don't mistakenly place the good side and the bad side facing each other. Now this is the good side and the good side facing each other. So I will just use my office pin to pin the two sides together. I'll just pin it round the circle as shown in the video. I'll just pin round the whole circle. Please, if you haven't liked our video, do well to like, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Kindly turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. So I'll just pin it down like that until I go round the circle, as you can see. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine to stitch it together. Now at the sewing machine, I'll just do a reverse stitch to hold my stitch firm, and then I'll continue to sew round. Just keep sewing until you get to the end of the circle, but you're going to leave a 1 inch space. You won't sew it completely because this is the point where you're going to be turning your good face out, like so. I'll just pull out the good face through the 1 inch space I left and just pull it out completely as seen. You can see that I'm trying to pull it out. Then, having pulled it out completely, I will just take it to my pressing table and iron it so it will come out straight and smooth for me to continue. Then I will also use my tape to measure the width of my elastic. This is 1 inch. Then I'll measure 1 inch into the sewing as seen in this video. I'll just trace it for you guys to see it clearly. So now I'll take it back to my sewing machine and sew it at that measurement. Now I measure the circumference of my head, which is 22 inches. So I cut the length of my elastic into 22. But first of all, let's go and sew the 1 inch into the satin. Can you see? You just sew it. See how neat the sewing is. Then bringing it back to my table, I'll use my safety pin and hold the elastic, then pull it through the sewing I just did as seen. I'll also use the safety pin to hold the other end so the elastic does not pull through and off the satin bonnet. So I'll just pull the elastic through. I'll just keep pulling. Guys, kindly like our videos, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Kindly put on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. So as you can see, I've been able to pull the elastic through. This is the final stage, so I'll just take this back to my sewing machine and then stitch the elastic together. In order to get a firm stitch, you have to do like a reverse stitch, forward stitch, reverse as many times as you can so that your stitching will be firm. Can you see how many times I went back and forth because I want my stitching to be firm? Then you just trim it with your scissors. Can you see? Then having done this, you now push it in. Okay, I just brought this for you guys to see it clearer and better. So you just push it into the satin and then you're going to fold the opening as I'll be showing you. You just fold it in like that. Guys, this is, can you see how beautiful that is? So you just trim out all the threads and then your satin bonnet is ready. This is beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share with your friends. Please put on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Now, and as well customize your satin hair bonnet. Thank you for watching.